Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group, and today, man, it's a beautiful day, man. I'm finally gonna be able to send my E36 to the body shop to kind of finish up on this project. Well, not finish up. For the backstory, I was in an accident with this car the beginning of last year. Or was it this year? Yeah, I would say, all right. So February this year, the beginning, and I had to basically rebuild the suspension myself and put a new steering rack, new control arms. And then I had to take it to the body shop to get the fender done and get the frame cut out and re-welded in. There's a lot of work that went into this car, man. So right now we're at the final stretch where I have to take it back, get it aligned, and get the side skirts redone. So let me show you guys the car, and as I wait on the tow truck is on its way right now. So once they come, we're gonna send it out. We're gonna drop it off at E36 Auto Body and Service in Rockville. These guys are the best to me, man, because this car was totaled, and they brought it back. So I'm just gonna bring it back so we can finish up, and I can get back to enjoying this car. But here's my E36. So we gotta get this little dent pulled out. This is the original hood it came with. I found a replacement on at the junkyard, so that's why I just put this one on. I got a new fender. I didn't get it painted. I'm gonna get it painted later. And then get the side skirts. The side skirt panel. I wasn't able to install the new side skirt, so I guess I gotta straighten this back up. Well, I think that's the tow truck people. So yeah, man. So that's what we're gonna do. We gotta get the front end readjusted on the side skirts, and then the alignment is way off. You see how straight this wheel is, and how this wheel is kind of turned in a little bit. I guess you can see it from this side. Kind of pushed in. This side is straight. So yeah, man, waiting on the tow truck now. And when they come, I'll turn this camera back on. Oh yeah, let me show you guys. Matter of fact, before that, let me show you guys. I got the M3 side skirts here. So that's what's gonna be going on here on both sides. Once they straighten it out a little bit. So we're at the final stretch. So when the tow truck come, I'll turn back on the camera. Alright guys, so we got the tow truck here. I'll put it on the tow truck. Alright, man, we about to head to the body shop now and get this thing fixed. I'll see y'all when we get to the body shop. So, alright guys, we on the way to the body shop right now. Trying to let this tow truck come over so he can get in front of me. Alright, yeah, he just got in front of me. Yeah, we on our way to drop this thing off, man. I kind of promised myself I'll get it done for my birthday. So my birthday is next week. So I'm pretty excited about this, man. Hopefully it'll be done by my birthday. I'm dropping it off now. Right now, we got it on the back of the truck right now. See her. Yeah, man, like I said, I'm gonna turn this camera on when I get to the body shop. Let you guys see the whole process, man. I'm following behind the tow truck driver right now, so peace. switch to the phone now. So we just got here at E36 Auto Body. About to drop the car. It's my man right here, technician that was working on it. Inshallah. Oh yeah, let me hop out and find somewhere to park and holler at these people real quick. I'm gonna talk to you in a few, man. How you doing, my friend? Yeah. All right. Yeah, the wheel. We still need a little bit fixed. All right, guys, I just dropped it off. I might have go in there and speak with them for a little bit. Just gotta move my car real quick. But I trust these people, man. They always, since the first time I bought it, they looked out for me. So, I'm gonna try to move my car closer so I don't get my shit towed out here. A lot of cars coming in and out, but they don't have that much space, so I figure I'll move my car around. Well, yeah, man, I'm gonna cut the camera back on in a little bit. I just gotta go make sure they understand what I'm trying to do. And I don't want to take my camera in there either, man. So yeah, man, just stay tuned, man. And if you haven't already, man, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, man. Leave a comment. I like to know you guys' thoughts too, man. So do me that favor. Sorry, I'm gonna talk to you in a little bit.